Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another K-Talks video. Thank you for clicking on it, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the FabFitFun box. If you don't know what this is, then look it up. Just kidding. So, what a FabFitFun box is, it's a seasonal subscription box that gets mailed to you 4 times a year. You get to choose like some products that are in there depending on what subscription you have. I don't know a lot about it. All I know is that I watched a lot of like review videos and decided that I wanted to try it out. This is not a sponsored video, so I'm not getting paid to do this. I just decided to do this, and I waited a very long time to unbox this thing. It's probably been sitting on my kitchen table for a month now. Things I do for you. You better thank me. This is called the editor's box. So basically it's a bunch of products that the FabFitFun employees have they put together into this box because they saw that like in other boxes that they were popular, I guess, or like, I don't know, like these were their favorites, the creators. I don't know, but I know it came with like a coupon to share with your friends, and then this FabFitFun magazine looking thing. So opening it up right away, it does smell very floral. I'm getting some whiffs of that. So here we go, let's get started. All right, so this was one of the products that I got to choose between like 4 things of like what I got. There was like 2 scarves and then 2 two like shawl things. So here's the first item. It's called the Merci Cozy Wrap. Travel well, travel often, and travel light. So here's what it looks like. Super cozy. All right, and then I also got to choose between like 3 bags or a bag or some muscle warmer relaxer thing, and since I have no use for that kind of stuff, I chose the bag. It's not really the one that I was hoping I was gonna get, because you don't really get to choose. There was 3 different types and you didn't get to choose which bag, but oh well, it's my second favorite. It says, "Will work out for cupcakes," which is somewhat true, except replace that with donuts. It's a pretty good sized bag. It's supposed to be a gym bag, but let's be real. I don't work out. Next, we have the what is this called? The Nourishing Dewy Mask Intensive Treatment by Wish. I have a confession. I snuck into this box earlier last week to try this out because my skin was really dry and I wanted to see how this worked. I put this thing on and it literally felt like I was just putting moisturizer on my face, and apparently it's a mask. I guess you could say it works, but I didn't really like the texture, how like it didn't even feel like a mask. It felt like it would just absorb into my skin, and yet I had to wash it off. So that was really weird to get used to. But it does smell good. It smells like roses because it has like rose hip and lotus in it. So it smells really good. It does feel very hydrating. So I guess it's worth. Oh, should I do like all of the other reviews that I saw do? They did this thing. They were like, can you just see the moisture? Yeah. See, it's so moisturizing. Oh. And the smell. Oh, honey, the smell. Next, we have some Muscle Soak Himalayan Salt. Let's see how this smells. Let's see if it lives up to its expectations. Oh. Whew. Smells very herbally. Look at that, that's what it looks like. It It's not even filled up all the way to the top. That's disappointing. Come on, stop being like the chip company's Himalayan salt. You gotta fill up to the top. I don't know if I'll use this maybe for like my feet after a long day of work, but like as for like muscle soaks in general, I don't really have a use for. I do need to start working out. I am guilty of that. Okay, so next we have the, what is this? Okay, so next we have the makeup drop. This is the thing I'm the most skeptical about. See if it actually works. It's weird. It almost feels, okay, so this is like, it's silicone. So it feels like a breast implant. Ew, and it smells terrible. And you can just apply your makeup like this and see, it goes on. I'm actually really excited to try this. Let's try this. I'm gonna go get some foundation. I'll be right back. Don't you go anywhere. Okay, let's test her out, shall we? I'm not sure which side I'm supposed to use though. Let's see. So I got a little bit of makeup, just a tad. This is gonna be a really awkward angle. Ready? I don't know if it's working. Is it working? I don't know. It sure smells like it's working. It smells like crap. There you have it, it works. Yay! So next we have this little pink box. Let's see. Bulgarian Rose. So this is the thing that's making all of this smell. So this is a body wash infused buffer. And it looks like this. It smells okay. Like, I'll use it. I'll try it out to see if I like it. I don't know. We'll see. It's very, like, you can tell that there's product in it. It's very, like, hard yet squishy. That's what that looks like. So I got to choose between a couple of these Summer and Rose jewelry set thingies. I chose the necklace because I didn't really fancy the earrings. So, there you go. Plain little silver bars. Ooh. Oh, this is the last thing. I'm sad. This is a thing. This is the thing. This is a makeup palette. I'm gonna use a plug. Oh, it worked. I used a plug. I used like a, not a plug, I used a thing. This is called the Real Her Playbook. Ugh. What the? Did they glue it in there? I guess this is another route to go. Jeez. Well, that took all day. So here's the shades that you get. They're okay. Like, I'll utilize them. No, but in all seriousness, they do look pretty. And I will definitely utilize them whenever I actually do my makeup. Today is one of those rare occasions. And then they give you all this fancy paper. And there you have it. My boring unboxing. How fancy. Alright, that is it for today's unboxing video, or today's video, or whatever you want to call it. Thank you so much for tuning in to get your daily K-Talks. I don't post videos every week. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for clicking on it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!